Good health is not something we can buy. However, it can be an extremely valuable saving account. By Anne Wilson. Nutrition plays an important role during this pandemic as it can provide people with both physical and mental health benefits. No one like to be ill as illness have an adverse effect on our life. If we want to avoid developing a common cold or flu, we need to develop our immune system. To enhance our immune system, we can follow the given points. Wake up early in the morning, drink warm water at regular intervals, exercise regularly, intake immunity boosters like Amla and Chyawanprash. However, one of the biggest way to support our immunity is to add superfoods in our diet. Now, question may arise, what are superfoods? Superfoods are foods mostly plant-based origin, power-packed with nutrient-rich and minimal calorie. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Some of the superfoods which are helpful are: green tea contain antioxidants that help boost immunity and also contain lipids that reduce the risk of heart disease. It also helps to boost metabolism. Watermelon contain potassium, vitamin A and vitamin C, which keeps kidneys strong and prevent any weakness or fatigue. Citrus fruits. We all know vitamin C can help fight off cold and cough. So make sure to eat plenty of vitamin C rich fruits like lemon and orange mixed with fruits or as in a juice. Spinach. Spinach is one of the amazing superfoods that does all. It is full of vitamin A, C, fiber, magnesium and iron, which all help in cell division and DNA repair. Eat it raw or lightly cooked for its maximum benefits. Garlic. Garlic is an age-old immunity booster. It has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties and reduces the length of cold and flu. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps prevent cancer and arthritis. Turmeric is the golden ingredient that solves every problem. Taking a teaspoon a day have been suggested to prevent cancer, heart disease, arthritis and muscle damage. It is even used as antibacterial on cuts or rashes. Lentils. Lentils and beans are important source of protein in our diet. Recipe of golden milk by Preeti ma'am.
Hello everyone! As you all know that this is the first day of our nutritional week, we are going to prepare golden milk. Now, what is this golden milk? This is what our moms call haldi ka doodh. As it improves our immunity and makes us strong, we should know the right way to prepare golden milk. So, let's see how can we make it. First, boil the milk. Milk is really helpful and healthy for your bones and teeth. It also repairs muscle tissue. It improves heart health and reduces acidity. Now mix the milk in between. Let it start boiling. And when it starts to boil, add the main ingredient turmeric, which has curcumin and has anti-inflammatory and antiviral and antibacterial properties, which will really boost your immunity and fight fight against common cold. Then add pepper. Pepper means kali mirch, which absorbs the curcumin into the body, and it also have anti-inflammatory properties, also controls the blood sugar level. The next ingredient is garlic. It can combat sickness including common cold. It can help in bring up the blocked mucus from the chest. Now adding ginger, which has the power to decrease the inflammation from the body. It can reduce nausea and also improve immunity. Now let mix all the powerful ingredients into the milk and boil it. Once the milk get a good boil, add some ghee, which is also called as clarified butter, which has anti-inflammatory properties and keep you warm from inside and is really good for your heart and effective remedy for constipation. Mix this all very well and let it have a good boil so that all the goodness of ingredients absorb into the milk. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool down a bit. Then add some honey, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties, a good source of antioxidants, really good for sore throat. Mix it really well. Strain the milk if you want. Otherwise, you can take it as it is. Take this golden milk every night before you go to bed. Improve your immunity, stay healthy and stay safe.
Lastly, I would like to conclude. 1 minute of anger weakens your immune system for 4 to 5 hours. 1 minute of laughter boosts your immune system for 24 hours. Stay safe and healthy.